Alright guys, as requested, here is our first reverse grip tutorial. Whether you're just starting on reverse grip or you already know how to do some reverse grip, we're going to add some new things to your choreography arsenal. If you're new to the channel, we do tutorials, fan films, and lightsaber reviews. And you will like and subscribe. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to recommend you watch our basics tutorial so you're familiar with the number system we use. Our Form 5 tutorial would be helpful. We also have a reverse grip flourish tutorial if you want to check it out. Alright, let's get started with how to do a basic 9 count with a reverse grip. So if you've seen our Form 5 tutorial, these are grazing strikes. Instead of making a hit flat to the blade, you're going to make contact with the blade and then slice through. Same when you're blocking. Go to the point of the block and then push it all the way through. When both fighters are doing these big sweeping movements, it's going to give the illusion that you're doing big power strikes while being safe. So this would be the first step to get used to striking and blocking with a reverse grip. You'll notice you have to get closer to strike because you have much less reach with a reverse grip. Choreographically, using only reverse grip is probably not the best thing to do if you're trying to look like you're desperately trying to kill your opponent. So that's why I'm going to show you guys how to switch back and forth from reverse grip to regular grip. Let's start with the odd numbers. So that would be strikes 1, 3, and 5. Here I'm showing you how to attack a 3 into a 1 regular grip. Start with the same graze through strike, grip it with your other hand at the bottom of the hilt. Let go of that top hand but keep your palm on it until it's rotated enough you can grab it with a regular grip and then strike the 1. And I'm just showing a 3 to a 1 here, but I hope you guys realize you can do any odd number to any odd number with this grip transfer. It's just where you're aiming. Practicing this slow and steady will be the key. Now let's go over the evens, numbers 2, 4, and 6. Very similar to the odds, but you'll notice when you grip it with that bottom hand, you're going to have to twist that hand a lot more than you would with the odds. Alright, let's show you how to do odd strikes to evens. Let's say you want to strike a 5 to a 2. It's the same grip transfer, but instead of swinging it all the way around to another odd hit, you're just going to pull back to strike a 2. So we've been going from reverse grip to regular, but how about regular to reverse? I'm going to show you how to do an 8 to an even strike. So striking an 8 like normal, switch the top hand to a reverse grip while still holding on with the bottom hand so you don't drop your saber. And again, I'm keeping the top hand palm on it as I'm switching to reverse grip, but I'm really holding the saber with the bottom hand so it's nice and secure. This is essentially the key to all grip transfers, whether they be from reverse grip to regular or regular to reverse. And I hope this gives you enough information to get to any strike you want to in your choreography that you want to switch from reverse grip to regular or from regular to reverse. Once you got the hang of it, a good exercise to do would be improv strikes from reverse to regular and vice versa. Of course, by yourself in a very slow Tai Chi like movement. The next step will be to do 9 count switching grips. Attack the 1 reverse grip, then attack the 2 regular, attack the 3 reverse grip, attack the 4 regular, 5 reverse grip, 6 regular, 7 reverse grip, 8 regular, and just keep it regular for the 9 because you have more reach. Same thing with the blocking. Block the 1 reverse grip, block the 2 regular, block the 3 reverse grip, the 4 regular, 5 reverse grip, 6 regular, 7 reverse grip, 8 regular, and parry the 9 regular as well. Here are some reverse grip combos you can do. Starting with the reverse grip side. Attack a 5 reverse grip, 2 regular, 8 regular, switch to reverse for a 5, and then a 2 reverse grip as well. Here it is again for the flow. So that's 5, 2, 8, 5, 2. And a little faster. Here's the regular grip side. Start by blocking a 5 invert, 2 regular, parry the 8 down, block a 5 invert, and a 2 regular. Half speed for the flow. 5, 2, parry 8, 5, 2. And here's a little faster. Here's another combo. Starting with reverse grip, attack a 2 reverse grip, a 2 regular, 8 regular, 4 reverse grip, and finish with a 2 regular. That gets parried down. Once again for the flow. 2, 2, 8, 4, 2. Here it is a little faster. Here's the regular grip side. Block a 2 invert, block a 2 regular, then block an 8 hanging parry, block a 4, and then block a 2. Once again for the flow. 4, 2, hanging parry, 4, 2. Here it is again a little faster. Third combo. Start by attacking a 1 regular grip, switch to reverse to parry a 1, then parry an 8, now parry a 5, and then parry the 9, all in reverse grip. 1 for the flow, attack the 1 regular, parry 1, 8, 5, 9. Here it is a little faster. Regular grip side. Start by blocking a 1, then attack a 1, 8, 5, and 9. One more time for the flow. That's block 1, attack 1, 8, 5, and 9. Here's the best for last. Here's a combo straight out of the Force Unleashed. Starting with a diagonal 1 reverse grip. Switch to regular for this 4. While spinning, get ready to block a 6 inverted, then complete the spin with a 6. So once more for the flow, that's diagonal 1, 4, block 6, slice 6. And add another spin 6 if you and your fight partner are feeling it. This is not an easy combo to coordinate with a partner, especially when going full speed. This is about as fast as we got. The regular side, it's really up to you to sell this. Block that diagonal 1, then a 4, attack a 6, and then block a 6. Once again for the flow, 1, 4, 6, block 6, and block 6 again. Here's a challenge for you guys. See if you can do all these combos back to back, and if you do it, tag me, I'd love to see it. Also, if you made it through the whole video, drop that wizard emoji in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep learning some lightsaber techniques, we got our lightsaber tutorial playlist right here, or if you want to take a break, we got our fan film tutorial playlist right here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and may the Force be with you.